What's going on, everyone? So I'm on a solo trip today. Well, not a solo trip, but I am with Jackie's family, so my wife's family. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be hopping into kayaks and we're going to be magnet fishing around all the docks, kind of around this little like bay here that we're basically just camping at right now. But I'll see you out there on the water, guys. Hey there, everybody. We are back out on the lake today. We're going to try to go a little bit further and hit a few more docks that we couldn't get to yesterday. It is a lot windier today than it was, so apologize for the wind noise. Couple of boats. A bracket? Oh yeah, it is. There's a hinge. Got a hinge. Kind of cool. Need to use your. Holy! You see that?
Not really.
Oh my god! Scared the crap out of me. It like jumped in the water and was like almost going to. I was like, no! That is terrifying. Found a bottle cap and a squealy thingy. Oh, what'd I get? Ooh. Hello. Alright, so first off, a washer. Second off, a nail. And then we got a knife blade. Looks like it came from a old pocket knife. I don't know where the rest of it is, but that's definitely like the part of a knife blade. Huh, that's pretty sweet. Cool. I got my damn pipe. Hey, one giant pipe. There you go. Here's your giant pipe back. Oh, Mr. Goony Bird, I'm coming to invade your privacy. Man, nobody's been to the dock in a hot minute.
Yeah?
First the spoils from today. Not much. What's going on, everyone? So we just got out of the water from kayaking and doing a little bit of magnet fishing around some docks here. Didn't find a whole lot, but we did find a few cool things. Got the little knife blade. You got a little hinge and all that good stuff. But now doing a little bit of bow fishing. Definitely seeing a few school of carp swimming out here. So we're gonna see if we can snag at least one. I done took 2 shots off camera and missed, so at least the camera's off. But now we're gonna see what we can do. Alright, so the record button didn't get pressed, that's okay.
Sorry.
I did shoot a pretty large carp here. He's a big old sucker too. He's big. So that was a pretty cool shot. Alright guys, so that's probably gonna wrap it up for today. We're able to do a little bit of magnet fishing, as you saw. Got a good little shot on a carp. It's about the only one we got. Took a few other shots, just couldn't seem to make it happen, but pretty good day. So got a lot of good footage. If you're enjoying our videos, guys, make sure to leave us a thumbs up on this video, drop some comments down below, and then make sure you subscribe to the channel to see even more of our adventures in the future. So I'm gonna go ahead and close it out, guys. Till next time, keep it real.